Hydraulic systems are the muscle behind modern machinery, powerful, precise, and reliable. But none of it would be possible without a tiny yet critical component, the solenoid valve. From clunky early designs to today's smart, high-efficiency models, let's explore how hydraulic solenoid valves evolved into engineering marvels. A hydraulic solenoid valve is an electromechanical gatekeeper, using a magnetic coil to control fluid flow. Need simple on-off operation? There's a valve for that. Precise flow control? Pilot-operated valves handle it. These components are the unsung heroes of everything from your dishwasher to industrial robots.
The story starts in 1910. ASCO Pneumatics built the first solenoid valve. It was bulky, but it proved electricity could control fluids. Then in the 1950s, companies like Bürkert made them lighter and cheaper with plastic bodies.
ASCO Pneumatics has a terrific reputation for product reliability, innovation, and customer service. We focus on providing solutions for customers. Every year we design and build over 50,000 different valves and related products. Today, we're able to ship 70% of our sales either the same day or in less than 5 days. Our company is over 125 years old and growing. We've got the experience, we have the capability, not only in the products, but in the markets that we serve. Our parent company is Emerson. Emerson has over 250 manufacturing locations all around the world. Emerson believes that every company ought to be fully competitive in everything that they do, not only cost, but providing the best technology and the best customer service. Our people are driven to provide not only the best answers and the quickest delivery, but the full breadth of support for customers. We want our customers to be successful. Our engineers have state-of-the-art labs and use advanced test and development equipment, including rapid prototypes and environmental test chambers to simulate severe customer conditions. If you visit any of our manufacturing plants, we have 7 in the Americas, we have 7 in Europe, we have many in Asia, you'll see the latest equipment. But more important than the equipment is the people, and the experience and the knowledge that the people bring to bear to serve our customers every day. One of our best sales tools is to bring customers into our plants. When customers come to visit our factories and meet our people, we usually end up with customers for life. Many years ago, we used to be departmental: engineering, manufacturing, sales, marketing. We don't have that. We have one team at ASCO Pneumatics. ASCO Pneumatics is the world leader in solenoid valves and fluid automation. We will make any investment necessary to maintain our leadership and effectively serve our customers.
Today, these valves are everywhere, controlling heavy machinery, mixing chemicals, even in your home appliances. As experts note, their reliability keeps them essential in automation. From clunky beginnings to high-tech precision, solenoid valves keep evolving. What innovation excites you? Drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe.